Hello everyone, I'm Kishi. Do you sometimes lose your pens or glasses? I do. If we give them home by folding a box, we'll be free from the problem. Let's fold a nice case for pens or glasses today. Please get a sheet of normal copying paper if you plan to put in only a couple pens or a pair of glasses. Use a little thicker paper or multiple layers of paper if you have many pens. Place the color side facing up with the longer edges at the top and bottom. Match the bottom edge to the top edge by folding the paper in half. Crease the edge. Match the top edge of the top layer to the bottom edge. Crease the edge. Unfold it. Turn over the paper. The top edge should be folded and closed, not be two separate sheets. Match the bottom edge of the top layer to the top edge. Crease the edge. Unfold it. Match the bottom right edge of the top layer to the crease. Crease the edge. Match the bottom left edge of the top layer to the crease. Crease the edge. Unfold the paper. Place the triangles at the top. Fold along the dashed line by starting at the top right corner. Crease the edge. Unfold it. Fold along the dashed line by starting at the top left corner. Crease the edge. Unfold it. Match both sides in the bottom right corner. Crease only 5 centimeters or 2 inches. Unfold it. Match both sides of the bottom left corner. Crease only 5 centimeters or 2 inches. Unfold it. Fold back the top edge to the bottom edge. Fold the top right edge to the crease. Crease the edge. Fold the top left edge to the crease. Crease the edge. Place the paper upside down. Fold back the top edge to the bottom edge. Hold the right side end towards you. Pinch the two triangles together. Then slide them under the left side triangle. Do the same for the other side. Pinch the two triangles together. Slide them under the triangle. Now our box is complete. Please fold another one for your friend or family and give it to them as a present. I'm sure they would love it. Thank you for folding a pen case or a case for glasses. Please subscribe or click the like if you have enjoyed folding the case today. See you in the next video.